What is up, people? Mario here, and welcome to another video. Sorry, I have hiccups. Oh, okay, alright, fine. These hiccups are hurting me. Alright. Shut up, hiccups. Anyway, I just wanted to make this video as a shout out to his name again. I forgot his name. Oh yeah, Cian. Still gonna kill me. Yeah, I just wanted to give a shout out to the Angry Irish gamer Quinn, also known as Cian. Thank you very much, Cian, for subscribing to me. We're blessed. I need to be scared somehow, but forget it. It won't leave me alone. Thank you, Cian. Thank you. I'm gonna die. I can't keep this. I keep having. The hiccups are like attacking me. I can't stand this. But anyway, thank you very much, Cian. I subscribe to your channel as well, and guys, check out his channel. Got my shoes. I like them. They're lovely. They have a lot of mud on them though. These are really good shoes. Are they? Let me know in the comments if you like these shoes. But anyway, thank you very much, people, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.